In this video, I'm going to show you a comparison of the BI visualization tools, which is Tableau and Power BI. So Tableau and Power BI are both business intelligence or BI and data visualization tools that help organizations turn raw data into actionable insights through reports, charts, dashboards, and visualizations. They are primarily used to analyze and visualize large datasets, making it easier for users to understand trends, patterns, and key metrics. Both tools support a wide variety of data sources, enabling users to pull in data from spreadsheets, databases, cloud platforms, and more for analysis. So, first, let's talk about Tableau. So Tableau is a data visualization and business intelligence software designed for more advanced and flexible data analysis. It specializes in creating interactive, rich visual representations of data without needing extensive coding or technical knowledge. Tableau is known for its powerful data visualization capabilities, making it a popular choice among data analysts and professionals who require in depth analysis and visual storytelling. So, the purpose of Tableau it's designed for interactive data analysis, creating highly customizable visualizations and dashboards. For audience, it's data professionals, business intelligence teams and analysts, and organizations that work with complex, large datasets. So for the first key feature of Tableau, it's advanced data visualization. So Tableau's primary strength lies in its advanced data visualization capabilities. Users can build interactive dashboards that allow for deep exploration of data. So the drag and drop interface enables users to create complex visualizations like heat maps, scatter plots, and geographic maps without needing programming skills. The platform also offers a variety of customization options, allowing users to modify visuals based on their needs. So the benefit of this key feature is the ability to build detailed, customizable visualizations, makes Tableau ideal for organizations that require in-depth data exploration and want to present data in a visually compelling way. The high degree of customization and interaction helps users discover patterns and insights that might not be immediately obvious. So the next key feature of W is its extensive data connectivity. W supports connections to a vast array of data sources, including spreadsheets, SQL databases, cloud services like Amazon Redshift or Google BigQuery, and more. It can handle complex real-time data integrations, allowing users to combine and visualize information from various sources in a single dashboard. So the benefit of this key feature is it allows businesses to pull in large datasets from multiple platforms without manual intervention. So this ability to blend data from different sources in one place ensures seamless, holistic analysis, especially for large organizations working with diverse datasets. So now let's move on Power BI. So Power BI, developed by Microsoft, is another top-tier business intelligence platform. So it stands out for its affordability, ease of use, and integration with other Microsoft services such as Excel, Azure, and SharePoint. Power BI is designed for business users and analysts alike, providing them with the tools to build interactive reports and dashboards without needing a steep learning curve. So, the first key feature of Power BI is its seamless Microsoft integration. Power BI's greatest advantage is its tight integration with Microsoft tools. So if your organization already uses Microsoft products like Excel, Teams, or SharePoint, Power BI makes data analysis and visualization extremely seamless. So you can import data directly from Excel or access data stored in Microsoft's cloud services, such as Azure or OneDrive. Power BI integrates easily with tools like Dynamic 365 and Office 365, streamlining workflows. So the benefit of that key feature is for companies already embedded in the Microsoft ecosystem, Power BI offers a smooth, familiar experience. The seamless data flow between Microsoft products saves time and effort, making it easier for teams to adopt and implement BI solutions without the need for extensive training. So the next key feature of Power BI is it's affordable and scalable. Power BI is known for its affordable pricing structure compared to Tableau and other BI tools. Power BI offers a free version with basic functionality, and its premium tiers are cost effective, especially for small and medium sized businesses. Additionally, Power BI provides scalability, allowing organizations to start small and expand their BI usage as needed without a huge upfront investment. So, the benefit of that key feature is the affordability and scalability of Power BI make it a great choice for businesses of all sizes. Organizations can benefit from advanced spy features without needing to invest heavily in software licenses or additional infrastructure. This makes Power BI accessible to smaller teams or departments looking for cost effective solutions to their data analysis needs. So, in conclusion, which is the best? So, choosing between Tableau and Power BI depends largely on your organization's needs and current infrastructure. So, choose Tableau if your organization needs highly advanced, customizable visualizations and you work with complex, large datasets. Tableau's strength in data visualization and its ability to handle intricate datasets make it ideal for data professionals who need flexibility and depth in their analysis. Next is you want to choose Power BI if your organization is already using Microsoft tools and you want a cost effective, user friendly BI platform that integrates seamlessly into your existing workflow. So, Power BI is particularly suited to organizations looking for an affordable, easy to implement solution with quick access to actionable insights. So basically, both tools are powerful in their own right, but the decision should be based on your organization's specific needs for data visualization, budget, and platform integration. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.